Do you want to know about social media marketing for beginners in 2020? Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money from Home. Today we're going to discuss how beginners can be effective in social media marketing. Make sure you watch until the end because we'll be letting you guys know about social media marketing for beginners in 2020. Man has an instilled urge to meet and see his loved ones. As the world has become a global village, international and national communication is easier and quicker. You must have heard about Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and similar apps which provide rapid and easy communication. Social media has become a powerful tool in the life of the common man, not only for communication and sharing personal moments, it's also serving people by providing easy and fast business opportunities at the national and international level. As almost everyone with a smartphone has access to social media and needs to buy commodities regularly, social media has become a major business tool in recent times. In this video, we'll let you know how you can make money on social media either by expanding your personal business or providing services to others. So make sure you watch the video until the end. Why social media marketing is useful. Number 1, brand awareness. Brand awareness is the first step of business marketing. While visiting a nearby market, one tends to buy things which one has seen in TV commercials. It's a basic mind trick which comes into play after repetition of ads on your TV screen. Social media marketing does the same thing. You put up ads or posts of your brand and people simply get used to seeing it. They see your posts and brand names and their minds catch, or rather accept your brand name. While making a choice in a market, there are more chances that they will choose your product. Number 2, more inbound traffic. Social media is a great way to provide you with more inbound traffic. Every law of online business is clear. Bring in more traffic to sell more. It's like opening a shop in a town. The more customers that visit your shop, the more things they will buy, hence giving you more profit. Billions of people use social media every day. A link to your website can simply bring you a direct and niche traffic, hence conversion rate should be high. Imagine targeting 10 million users worldwide and then trying to sell them your product or service. If even 1% of them agree to buy your product or service, calculate your revenue. It's as easy as you're listening. Number 3, improved search engine ranking. More traffic helps in getting better ranking in search engines. So social media not only provides direct traffic, but it also acts as a search engine optimization tool. A social media marketer from Pakistan, Mr. Ali, puts the importance of traffic in these words. Traffic is the lifeline of business. The only way to increase your profit is to increase your traffic. Social media does exactly that. We have been looking into social media lately and the results are mind-blowing. Number 4, high conversion rates. Social media traffic has better conversion rates when compared with search engine traffic. It means that chances are more that people from social media buy a product than the traffic from a search engine. Also, details of brand and product are readily available on social media, hence allowing the viewer to easily compare and instantly make a choice. Options like home delivery and cash payment on delivery can make things go extremely smoothly. As the details are fully available, masses are buying products on social media. We get 80% of our orders through social media marketing, and it seems to be growing. I'm extremely happy with the results of my social media campaign. A bookhouse owner from India says. Number 5, better customer satisfaction. It's been proved that customers on social media are more satisfied than elsewhere. Social media enables direct and instant communication between buyer and seller. Concerns or questions of buyers are answered in real time. Photos or other media sharing is extremely easy for buyers to check, and each and every detail of the product is there. If a customer is satisfied with the details, a deal is agreed between the buyer and seller. After-sales service and feedback are readily available, and help can be provided regarding an issue, resulting in more and more satisfied customers. Number 6, improved brand loyalty. As stated earlier, satisfaction of customers is key to successful businesses. Better quality and satisfaction of customers lead to brand loyalty. Repeat customers add much more value to one's business and are always welcomed. Number 7, cost-effective. Social media campaigns are super cheap as compared to conventional means of advertising and selling. Social media can allow your post to reach up to 5,000 targeted potential customers for just $5. Traditional physical shops are not necessary at all. If you have a spare room in your house, you can keep your inventory there and then post a detailed description of your product in social media. Customers will reach out to you and will place their orders. A ton of money can be saved, which is otherwise required in having a physical shop. Number 8. Gain marketplace insights. One of the benefits of using social media as a marketing tool is that you get to know the marketplace quickly. Social media is rather open, and you can easily watch out for your competitors, their strategies, and their working procedures. In light of the marketplace landscape, you can easily revise your business plan. You can also use comparison marketing, eventually rising in the market as a successful business. Number 9. Leadership qualities. Social media marketing is all about competition, passion, and speed. Once you know the ups and downs of this marketplace, you have the potential to be a market leader. Phenomenons like psychology and social analysis of human nature, changing trends and demands can easily make you stand out in the business world of your niche. How to achieve effective social media marketing in 2020. Social media marketing trends do change rather quickly. It depends upon a number of users using a platform for a specific reason. For example, if your business is jobs related, LinkedIn may suit you better. But if you sell cameras, Instagram can be a far better choice. Let's look at social media strategies which can boost your sales. It doesn't matter if you're doing it for yourself or for a client. Number 1. Instagram, hashtag and engagement. Instagram has been one of the best social media marketing places in the last couple of years. With billions and billions of people using it and its unique reputation of being a photo-sharing platform, it's been a haven for social media marketers. Its hashtag trends have been quite popular, and the engagement it provides to social media marketers is overwhelming. Instagram is probably one of the best platforms social media marketers can use in their business promotions. If you haven't considered it so far, maybe you need to pay some attention to it as soon as possible. Number 2. Paid social strategy. For many, sponsoring pages have done wonders in boosting their business. There are customized plans regarding sponsoring a page or posts. You can start sponsoring your posts with just $5, and your posts will be displayed on thousands of screens. Many social platforms offer you sponsored postings. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can help your business more than you can imagine. 3. Facebook ads. You're selling women's clothes, and you want to reach the maximum number of women out there. What do? You guessed it right. Facebook allows you to target different groups based on their age, location, sex, and so on. You can either sponsor your post for a day or for as many days as you want. If you are covering an event, you might want to increase your exposure on specific days. Facebook ads are very popular among small as well as large businesses. If you haven't tried them yet, maybe you should. Number 4. Swipe up link at 10,000 followers on Instagram. Instagram accounts with more than 10,000 followers are equipped with one additional feature that helps them bring traffic to their website. Swiping an image upwards lands you on a link provided by the account holder. Put your link there and the landing page will be visited by people who swipe up. Instant access and reach on your page is extremely engaging and beneficial, making your otherwise just visitors your customers. Number 5. Live videos on social media. Live videos are considered more engaging than regular videos and images. Make sure to broadcast live videos through social media platforms. Provide enough detail of your product, answer live questions, and try to explain your product in the best possible and catchy way. You'll see more customers instantly. Number 6. Know where and who your potential customers are. Knowing your customer is probably the first task you should accomplish when entering this business. Post designs, content, and timing can be better if you know your customers. You should know exactly where and who your customers are. Design your strategy accordingly. You need to know about the age, sex, and location of your potential customers. For example, you can't sell fancy clothes on a beach. You can't sell a bicycle spare part to a Lamborghini owner. It's that simple. Number 7. Communication matters. What matters most is the communication. Grab your visitor and get them to pay you for what you're offering. Show them that you're the best seller and your services are unmatched. Which platforms you use is secondary. Let us know in the comment section which strategy you guys use in your businesses to boost sales. Have you ever tried out any of these strategies? Which strategies work best for you? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on how to make money working from home and much more. Check out this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care.